Yeah, but you don't really want to cheap out when it comes to like framing and
Exactly.
Yeah.
What's
What's
your
your
like-
projected construction cost?
700.
Does that include the lot purchase, or beside the lot?
No, 900. 900K.
All in 900.
Yeah.
All in? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're gonna be making like
1.7.
1.6, 1.7.
1.7.
It depends what the comps are looking like, but
Net profits what, 500K?
yeah,
That make people rob you now.
Give me a story.
24.
Guys, just 24. Just
Yeah.
FYI.
Yeah.
Just
While you're
FYI.
still in school.
Yeah, jumped up.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty
yeah.
big.
This is amazing. Yeah, it's definitely
I think she said she was gonna take you out to Juan's build.
Yeah.
Right.
Are you all did you all go with any comps design, or you came up with your own designs like
Oh, we came up with our own, but we did get inspiration from like
what's that?
everywhere, like Instagram, Pinterest, everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
What's
we're
your
just-
two doing your going
Yeah, we're just there. It took like about a month for like the architect. Like we're back and forth revising, editing, and stuff.
What's your guys' background then to be able to do that? I think he told me Airbnb. Is it Airbnb?
Yeah, Airbnb and trucking,
Oh, and trucking too.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it Airbnb Arbitrage, or you guys used to buy
arbitrage.
Arbitrage?
Yeah,
Arbitrage.
yeah. Right.
Are
Yeah.
you guys still doing that?
Have a couple properties. Yeah.
Okay, here in Texas.
Yeah.
Are you all local in Texas, like born and raised?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we're born and
fantastic.
raised over
Okay,
here.
man.
Yeah, family born in Mexico, but us, yeah.
This is impressive, guys. It's
Yeah,
impressive.
it is
So we're gonna go to another project while you still in student loan debt. They're building $500,000 in one home. I'll wait 12 months all day. Well, how long do you think it's gonna take you to sell this on average? 90 days?
Yeah, hopefully not. Shit. Yeah.
Are you all your own agent on the resale?
No, we're thinking of getting one that's known around here. But there was a realtor passing by. He was like, I got his number, and he said that he'd be selling the houses around here. So
Okay.
hopefully.
Do you mind walking us through the phases of construction, if you
Okay.
know it? So first was foundation, obviously. You guys did a couple of
first
days
is
ago.
grading. So they do
Okay, great.
they do like that. They make the whole thing flat.
Okay, that's what
And
grading
then-
means.
Yeah, grading is that.
Okay.
And then they put the foam boards, which is the little like wood. You see how like the outline of the home?
hmm
Yeah, and then they do and then they come back and then they do like you get an inspection. I mean, you get a permit approved,
Mhm.
and then you go to the second one. It's like trench digging,
Okay.
and then that's whenever they do like the little lines inside,
hmm
and then they do the beams.
Okay.
You know how the little black bags that be
Yes.
on there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and then they do like the plumbing
hmm
and everything. Plumbing, electrical goes in the bottom, and then that's it. HVAC is whenever the framing's up and everything.
Up and everything, right?
Yeah.
So from here it's just going up
Yep.
until the finishes. Do you hire a different crew each time for each
Yeah.
trade?
Yeah. Everybody does different stuff
Got it. The project
Yeah.
management, you're doing it yourself?
Yeah.
Like you come in here every day.
every day.
That's how you learn though on your first one.
Yeah.
That's the best way.
But
to
you
learn
don't
on
really
your
want to ask them anything because they're like, oh, this girl don't know. We're going to charge
Of
her.
course, yeah. If you do that,
Yeah.
you're done. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
So I
Okay.
just be like, yeah, I know. I just come in here like, acting like I know what I'm
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
at.
you should. As you
You
should.
like it. You sound like it.
As you
Yeah.
should. Yeah. That's amazing. Okay. All right, let's go. We going to another one?
Yeah.
How far is that? So y'all building two at once?
No, this is another friend.
Oh,
A
got it.
builder
Okay,
friend,
okay.
yeah. Yeah, he should be there. He just came earlier.
So y'all have a whole group of boss ladies at this young age. That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah, I
man. Did y'all use 0% funding to buy this, or y'all went all cash?
We used some cash and then we got some
Some.
lended.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, their background is Airbnb, the generated cash flow, I'm assuming from that.
Yeah,
Then
and
instead
trucking.
of taking that and buying jewelry and shit,
Oh, we
took it
bought
to buy a
jewelry
lot.
too, but
I know. But they still kept some to buy a lot and
Yeah.
generated $500,000 profit. That's how you do it, guys. Don't spend all your money. Save some and build some.
yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's roll. Oh, thank you.
No, we drove around and just found them.
Gangster style. Okay.
Yeah. Or we have a lot of family also, and they have people, you know.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, also like Hispanics, right?
Yeah. That's a really big
Mexican-
plus.
Mexicano.
Yeah.
Mexicano.
Mexicano.
It's a
Mexicano.
Yeah, because
Mexicano.
a lot of these subs only talk Spanish.
Yeah, I
So
don't mind being adopted, by the way, if you give me the
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Right.
For
Hey,
sure.
let me ask a question with the subs. Like, what the average of the subs that you use versus the average of the average subs, if that makes sense?
Like the price difference?
The price difference, yeah.
Yeah, it's a big difference when you're working with a big company and when you're working with like people that just have like under, you
Yeah.
know, it's a very big difference.
Got it.
Sure, you save a lot.
Yeah, you do for sure.
Let's continue with the tour.
But you see, sometimes when you go with the mom and pop lumber shop rather than the more corporate
Yeah, you
one,
might get.
Yeah.
I might see it happening there.
You
That's it.
think they offered you that one because they think you want some cheap, right?
Yeah.
Set up.
Yeah.
I was about to ask you, like, for this particular situation, what would y'all do different for y'all next build to prevent this with the lumber? What y'all just
Probably just look over it more and just, I guess, get more, how do you say it? Learn about it a little bit more because we had no idea, you
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
We just know it's
Maybe
good.
also consult the
framer.
the
That's
framer.
Yeah.
Do your own.
Yeah, also, yeah. That's big because he already knows about that. He goes, oh, that's no good. Like, you might not even pass inspection.
all.
And it was going to cause problems with the sheetrock and stuff. It was going to look all crooked and it's going to cost more money in the long run. So might as well pay a little bit more.
Yeah.
And on each phase, do you have a private inspector come and?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
This-
The city.
So
the
when you
city.
were done with this, you did inspect this before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every little thing, like the T-pole, the concrete, everything.
Yeah, that's my next question.
what
This
really-
actually,
With the material costs going up, because y'all have to do that for the lumber. Did
Talk on the money.
that put y'all over budget?
No.
And it put y'all
No.
over budget?
No.
Okay.
It's because we really got a good bid on the framing already. And so
Okay, cool. Bad. That's all I need.
we're still, yeah.
see, sometimes it look to me like whenever you get a good price on one trade, you can overpay on the next trade a little bit for
Yeah.
quality.
Yeah, but you don't really want to cheap out when it comes to like framing and
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
that's
your
like-
projected construction cost?
700.
Does that include the lot purchase, or beside the lot?
No, 900.
Damn.
900K.
All in 900.
Yeah.
All in? Okay.
Yeah.